In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a package in Salesforce. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to enhance the functionality of their Salesforce environment by adding new apps and features. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring you understand each part and feel confident by the end. First, let's head over to the Salesforce homepage. This should be your starting point for accessing all Salesforce tools and features. Once you've arrived here, the next step is to locate and click on the Quick Settings. You'll find this right at the top, making it easy to access no matter where you are within the system. After opening Quick Settings, you'll want to click on Open Advanced Setup. This will lead you to a deeper level of configuration options within Salesforce, which is exactly where we want to be for our next steps. Now, in the Advanced Setup window, type in App Exchange into the search bar. App Exchange is essentially the Salesforce store for applications, where you can discover a myriad of tools to bolster your Salesforce environment. Once you've typed in App Exchange, click on the App Exchange link that comes up. This will direct you to the App Exchange homepage. On this page, you'll notice an option to Go to App Exchange. Clicking this link will take you directly into the main marketplace. Now that you're on the App Exchange portal, you can start searching for the application that you'd like to add to your Salesforce system. Think about what functionality you're hoping to expand or streamline, and use the search bar to find applications that meet this need. To refine your search, make use of the filter settings available within App Exchange. You can adjust these filters based on price, rating, or even features, helping you to sift through the options more efficiently and find exactly what you're looking for. After filtering and finding the right app for your needs, click on the one you want to proceed with. You'll see a Get It Now button on the application's details page. Select this option, and you're on your way to installing the application. When prompted, choose the Install in Production option. Be aware that it might take a moment to load as Salesforce processes the installation request. It's crucial to give it some time here. Patience is key. Next, a step you must not overlook is focusing on the Terms and Conditions section. It's important to read and understand these, as they govern how the application can be used within your Salesforce environment. Once you're satisfied, you'll need to check the checkbox indicating your agreement with the terms. Finally, click on the Confirm and Install button. Again, expect a brief loading period as the application finalizes its installation in your system. And there you have it, your chosen package is now installed in Salesforce. Another step closer to mastering the Salesforce platform.